Hey guys, Coach Dave here with HonestFit. Today we're going to go over the supine glute stretch. So for those of you who have done this in the past, just a quick review. Bring the leg out to the side, stretch leg comes up top, and we're bringing the leg to the opposite shoulder. Okay. For those of you who haven't done the stretch before, let me give you an extra description. So this glute stretch is obviously designed to stretch the glute or the butt cheek muscles. It also is good for some of the rotational muscles of the hip and is extremely useful for people who have any sciatic pain. The reason for that is one of these rotational muscles that's deep inside of the glute is called the piriformis. It's not in the glute, but it's around that butt cheek area. So when the piriformis gets very tight, it will constrict the sciatic nerve. So if we can stretch out that small piriformis muscle, we can relieve the pressure on the nerve and try to get rid of some of that sciatic pain. This stretch is pretty much good for everybody. I'll use it for pretty much every client. So let's get started with just the basic starting position. You're going to lie down, flat on your back, and for this demonstration, I'm going to stretch my right glute. So my left leg is going to be my stabilizing leg. So I'm going to bring my left foot out to the side with the shin diagonally in. It seems like that's a silly detail, but that actually makes a huge difference for this stretch. So use the opposite leg for stability. So now my stretched leg, the right leg, is going to come up on top, and my immediate goal is to bring the entire leg, specifically the knee, across the body to the opposite shoulder. Okay? So my right hand, same side hand, is going to help guide it to that opposite shoulder. And the other hand is going to add a little bit of torque as I bring the leg across. So common error, most people will bring their leg in and then try to create the stretch. I find it's much more useful if right off the bat you follow a direct line to the opposite shoulder. So this hand's going to push, this hand's going to pull, and I'm going across the body. Okay? If I want to get a little bit more of a rotational effect, I can pull on my ankle, adding torque to the leg. Okay? If you feel any knee pain on the side of the knee, it's probably because your knee is too far to the outside. So reset your stretch and guide it across the body from the start. Okay? I hope that this stretch really helps relieve some lower back pain. Any muscle that's connected to the pelvis can restrict pelvic movement and really eliminate some of the range of motion in the hip joint. So we want to try to make sure that the hip is as mobile as possible, and this is a fantastic stretch to try to create that mobility. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep watching HonestFit.